What it do, familiar? It's your boy Taxi Png. We're back at it again with yet another enhancement. Today we have a little bit of gel photography. So the thing that I'm actually using is actually like a beauty dish sock. It came in a pack of like a whole bunch of different beauty dish socks, and all of them are just different colors. I have a blue one, a green one, a yellow one, just a whole bunch of different colors. The link to that is going to be on my Amazon storefront, you guys. I think it came in a pack of my MS300 when I got it, and I just started using it for my AD200. But there's also a whole list of all that stuff like that. And if you guys are in the Patreon, there's free stuff in the Patreon. Okay, you guys, I have guides and everything like that inside of the Patreon for you guys to be able to check out. Okay, so I did a free guide about the AD200, just breaking it down on how I use it, the different accessories that I use for it, because I get these questions a lot. Okay, I handheld the AD200. I'm about to be in New York doing a meetup, my first ever photo walk, you guys. Handhelding the AD200. Okay, so I have a whole breakdown on how I do that, and I'm using this AD200 once again with these gels, okay, to be able to aim at this background and change that color. I love using gels because gels allow me to be so much more flexible within a shoot. So for example, when I'm doing this, I'm able to aim any color gel at a white backdrop to change the color of that white backdrop, okay, you guys? So having a white backdrop when first starting out in studio is amazing, and then you can use gels to change the colors, or you can use RGB lights. When I first started, I used to use RGB lights, panel RGB lights. They were the 660 panel lights from Newer, N-E-E-W-E-R, and I had two of those, and I would put them on the sides and I would aim them directly at the white backdrop, and it would act as like low-key a softbox because it would make that light spread all against that white, right? And then what happens is when you take this into Lightroom or into Photoshop, all you need is a little hint of color and you'll be able to pull it out. Especially if you're shooting raw, you'll be able to pull all the color from that background and really brighten it up and enhance it. So that's really why I love using gels. Just gonna kind of go through my workflow with you guys and show you exactly how I do it. It's kind of like a show rather than tell moment. Well, a show and tell at the exact same time. So let's get into the video. What's up, you guys? Your boy Taxi Png. We're back at another man. Today we're using gels. So I have a little gel light right here on my second light. As you guys can see, it's coming out blue. I kind of chose blue because it kind of goes with her hair. So I'm gonna throw that blue into the background and change this white background to like a blue background, a little play vibes, right? And then we have a second light right here. So I'm doing a 2-light setup. My MS300 is right here, and then right here I have my AD200. So 200 watts of power, 300 watts of power. This one going off to the back of my subject, just like so, to kind of brighten that part of her up. Angling it over. And it's kind of like a little sandwich method a little bit. So this light's coming onto her, that light's going to the background. All right, let's see. Tester, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. All right, I'm gonna have you pop that leg more. Yeah, just like that. There you go. And then lean into it. There, like that. Yep. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Look back off that way. So like when you're doing it and you're like this, like look off like that. Yeah. Let me see. There we go. So you're able to see how I'm kind of posing at the same vibe. So this light right here, you guys, is at 1/16 power. And then I have that backlight at 1/8 power, so it could be a lot brighter and like, you know, really push off. It's called the beauty dish sock. What's on there? So there's a blue beauty dish sock, so that's why that blue light's coming off. Or you can use gels as well. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, yes, just like that, just like that. Hold it. One more. Hold it. Don't move. You got it. 3, 2, 1. Don't move. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep. 3, 2, and don't move. And 1. Come like here with it, like here, like that. Yeah, like that. It's like kind of like you're feeling, yeah, like that. And then lean more, like that, boom. And now instead of having that hand here, have it like kind of on your side. Like this? Bring it on your side, like to like hide your side like this. Like this? Yeah, like that. There you go. Maybe like pull on it. Like this? Yep, hold it. Put that in your hand. Put the bundle of stuff in your hand. Like this? Yeah, like that. Boom, yeah. There you go, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there you go, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, to the head up more. There you go, boom. And 1. There we go. Yeah.
Maybe I need to put some more in my face, like, because I'm always looking mean, remember?
Yeah. Like, soften your face up a little. Soften up your face a bit. Yeah. All right, let me see. Hold it. Let me see. 3, 2, 1. Yep. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, that's cute. It's cute. There you go. One more. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. All right, try it. Try it, let me see.
What?
And like, as you guys can see with my setup, I have the MS300 coming off to the side, right? So it's on a gridded box, right? So the reason why I have grids on this softbox is because I don't want any of that extra light from the MS300, right? Those 300 watts of power spilling off onto the backdrop. Why? Because I have my AD200 with the gel, the blue gel aiming at the backdrop. If I have any spill onto the backdrop, it's gonna mess up that blue, right? It's gonna mess up just how blue the images could come out, okay? So if I have anything spilling, that white is gonna wash out the blue, and the blue won't come out as powerful as it could, okay? So that's really why I have it on a grid. If I were to take this grid off, it would spill a lot. I did a breakdown in this. I don't know if you guys seen it. Maybe you are in the Patreon, you would have already seen this part, or you saw it on Instagram because I posted a video on Instagram and I went live while editing these photos. So if you guys don't know that, I go live every single day. The times are different, so you have to make sure that you have that notification bell on to be able to catch my lives, okay? Because I go live every single day. Even today I did a live and it was a behind the scenes of a birthday session, like just getting real raw, unfiltered. I told you guys my saying is real, raw, and unfiltered. I want to find the best way possible to give you guys that real, raw, and unfiltered feel, okay? So every single day, whether I'm editing, whether I'm doing a photo shoot behind the scenes, I'm about to be in New York soon as well. I'm gonna be vlogging and IRL streaming that entire thing as well. So make sure to catch me on live, you guys. The only way you'll be able to see it if you have the notification bell on, right? So with this lighting setup, I had it like crossed because I had the center of the AD200 kind of aiming off to the side, but it was aimed at the middle of the backdrop. So I try to have it hit the backdrop to the middle as much as possible to be able to have that spread for when it came time for me to edit, all right? And then I also had that side light, like I told you, with the MS300 coming directly at my subject with that grid on it, so that way it all illuminated my subject and didn't spill nothing onto the background. I did a breakdown on this in the Patreon, and if you guys saw this, I was live editing these photos as well on live, okay? So if you guys want to see a breakdown on exactly how I edited these photos after shooting these photos, you guys can see that in the Patreon. With the hair, yeah, like with the hair, try it.
3, 2, 1, yep. 3, 2, 1. Do it the other way, do it that way, do it that way. Yeah, like that. There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, leg?
The left leg. Yeah.
Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, and 1. Yep, and 1, yep. There you go.
There you go. So I've angled that same gel more towards her back. I have it kind of coming down at her now, but it's still like the same little lighting setup.
My camera settings, you guys, if you're asking or wondering, are on, yeah. Bro, stop worrying about it, just go. All right, let me see. ISO, ooh.
Leave it like that, leave it like that, leave it like that, leave it like that.
All right, f2.8, shutter at 200, yep, hold it. My ISO is at 100. Hold it, yep, 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, yep, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that, hold it. And 1.
Look up that way. Just like that. Look up that way, yeah, look up that way, yeah, hold it. 3, 2, 1. Put your hand in your neck, like this, yeah. So you're hiding your, yeah, but you're still, you know what I'm saying? There you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, tilt your head up more. Right there, hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. One more, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. There we go, bet.
Yeah. You don't think that angle is awkward?
I don't think so. I mean, this one look awkward because I zoomed out, but this one looks better.
Like the legs look like.
Don't look at the legs. Like, just look at that. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, this looks fine, but like this, obviously not. But like, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I kept zooming in.
That's cute.
Yeah, see? Yeah. Yeah.
We done with that pose?
Yeah. And once again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you got all the way to the end, you're a GOAT. You're a surgical shooter. If you guys don't know what a surgical shooter is, I call the PNG culture a community of surgical shooters because I tell them that you have to get surgical when it's time to do a photo shoot. Like, you got to turn this certain mode on and just like put yourself inside of a game and become surgical when it comes time for you to shoot, because you get nervous. Like us as individuals, we'll get nervous and we'll feel like, oh my gosh, I get scared. I don't want to do this shoot. But you got to flip a switch, man. You got to get surgical. You got to say, all right, man, I understand my nerves. Go ahead, throw them out the window. It's time to get surgical, bro. Put them gloves on. Like, imagine a doctor, bro. When a doctor is about to, you're about to go to work, bro. You're in the lab. You're about to go do an operation, and you're telling me that you're gonna let your nerves stop you? No, bro. You gotta get surgical, bro. Put them gloves on and get surgical. Get down, get dirty, and get right. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like you got to be a surgical shooter. Be intentional with your shots. Don't be an overshooter. Be a surgical shooter. Get surgical and be intentional with the shots that you take. Okay. I just want to say thank you guys once more, man. If you guys don't know who I am and you got this far, I mean, you should know who I am by now. I'm Taxi Png. I'm a Florida-based personal branding and creative photographer based in Florida. Okay, and I travel around a lot. I go to New York very frequently. So if you're in New York, hey, you might catch me out there, and you also might catch me on a live stream. I don't know, but make sure you guys have a notification bell on. Make sure you subscribe. We're on the road to 10K. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys, and I appreciate everybody that's been on the live with me, man. The live fam been going up. we peaked at 600 viewers one day, like, and I did 6 hours straight one day, just straight editing. And like, I love the community that we were building, bro. Like building the live, building the YouTube. We're on the road to 100K, and I have 1,000 videos posted, 1,000 long length videos. That's insane, bro. I got you guys. It's basically Netflix on YouTube, photography Netflix on YouTube. You guys have so much bingeable content for you to be able to watch, and it's not gonna stop. I love you guys. Until next time, Taxi.